we're going to check hive number 2.
See how I have this?
Yeah.
They're coming and going out of here. I'm going to flip it over when I put it back on.
So that they don't come out the back.
So they don't have 2 entrances.
Right, because couldn't robber bees come in there?
Possibly. They're still guard, should be guard bees. Looks like they pulled a little bit out of that one. Started. Nothing on this one. 1 bee on this, 2 bees on this one.
Looks like they're starting to
This
draw.
one they're drawing out a little bit. That's the 5th frame. This one drawing out pretty good. They look pretty good. They look pretty healthy. I'm not seeing any Verona mites. You got to do it the other way, babe. You got to get in. I'm in the sun. Hopefully that's brood. It looks like nectar. It looks like capped honey. But hopefully that's brood. There's pollen on the other side. Hopefully that'll all be hatching out. See down here? See down here?
Mm-hmm.
Those are...
Right, they've got, see the pollen.
That's not pollen. These
The
right here, these right here, that's brood.
Okay, yeah, I see it.
So hopefully they're all working, they're all doing their jobs. Yeah. That's all, hopefully that's brood. Now there's some nectar in there that's not sealed, but hopefully that's all brood. And again,
I'm going to look at this side. I know I'm not in the sun, but I'm just taking a picture of it. Okay, why are there, like, there's holes in it? Is she haphazardly laying?
Yeah, but that's not haphazardly. That's, I missed 1 or 2.
Okay.
I'm not concerned. These bees have been about the best bees. They're just not aggressive at all.
Okay, there looks like there's on the other side there's like a really, I don't know if that's a, see that?
So look at all them babies. Oh yeah, but it's not. It's a cup, but a queen cup would go down. That might be. I don't know. We'll have to check and see what that is. That's all full of babies. You see all the...
Larvae.
Yeah, there's all kinds of larvae. It's all full of larvae. She's laying. She's a worker. I just am not looking for her. When I see the larvae, I'm just not looking for her. But there is a cup. It's sticking out further. It's full of larvae. Look at that. Look at those little bitty ones.
So are they the ones that have hatched?
Look at, no, they're not hatching yet. They won't hatch for another 2 weeks. See those little baby ones, the little bitty C's?
Oh, okay.
See the little baby C's?
Yeah.
Versus the bigger C's?
Uh-huh.
She just laid in there not too long ago. She's around. Well, she's definitely laying. Really happy.
So do we need to watch that cup that's sticking out?
We'll find out what it is. We'll ask. Oh, I gotta go back the other way. Do I want to pull this frame off? I guess I will. Just to...
There's like hardly, oh, on one side there is.
See, now they're pulling this out.
Look at that one.
That's what they did on the other one too. They're building above it.
Let me see if I can get a better picture of it.
Nothing. Oh, they started that. Can't do anything. Maybe they can't get to it.
So on hive 2, there's 1, 2, 3 frames with both sides drawn out, and the frame closest to the feeder has one side.